Hello guys, sending all the positive vibes out there. So this is my very first video about this topic. Of course you have read the topic in the description and the title. So today's topic is about how to manifest your desire, your seeking in a very effective, simple 3 ways. So before getting into those 3 ways, I would just tell you that how law of attraction changed my life, entire life. I can't even imagine. Since the day I have read the book called The Secret, um, everything that I do, everything that I believe in, everything that I seek is changed. My whole outlook towards life, my whole approach towards life is changed, and it is more positive, more thoughtful, more intense, and in a very brilliant way. It has changed my life, and not even me, it's in my whole family, my whole friends, and I can't, and those repeating numbers, I can't even tell you that. I literally can't tell you why I'm telling you this thing. So of course I would jump into the tips of how to manifest your desires in a very quick, simple 3 ways. The first one would be visualize. Visualize every bit of your manifestation. Visualize whatever you want to manifest. Visualize whatever you want in life, whatever you desire to seek in life in a very effective, in a very detailed manner, in a very precise manner, so that the universe knows exactly what you want. The weather is amazing. Universe knows about exactly. See, this is a sign, I guess. So the universe know whatever you want. So visualize it in a very precise, effective, and in a very limitless kind of manner. Don't limit your visualization. Thinking about the reality and thinking about where you are in that situation currently, but visualize it without any boundaries, visualize it without any limitation, visualize it without any practical relevant thinking. So of course visualize it whatever you want in a very detailed manner. For example, if you want a car, visualize what model, visualize what type, visualize what color it would be, visualize it in every detail, and feel that visualization within you. Minimum 3 minutes, and maximum you can go on and on with it. But of course it is necessary to visualize every day. So visualize it every day, so that the universe knows what exactly you want. And if you can visualize it here, you can get it in practical life too. So visualize more often whatever you want, and not even one desire, multiple desires you can visualize in a single day. But of course after visualization, the second step is ultimately important, that is forget it. Forget about whatever you have visualized or whatever you are visualizing. Just visualize, just feel it, think about it during the course of time of your visualization, but don't overdo it by thinking about it all day, or limiting it, that how it would be manifested or how it would come to you. Leave it to the universe, leave it to the whole bigger power, that is universe. So of course visualize it and then forget about it. Don't give it a second thought, don't think about it whole day. Just visualize it for the 3 to 5 minutes a day, and forget about it, that whatever you have visualized, forget about it, just forget about it. After visualization and forgetting, the very important thing that people lack is stay happy and show the gratitude towards universe. Show them that you are blessed, show the universe that you are happy, you are thankful to them, that whatever universe has offered you is great, and whatever universe has offered you is lovely, and you are loving the universe for whatever it has been offering you since day one. So show that gratitude towards the universe, because if a child scores a good mark, a child scores something good, or a child does something good, then of course when a pat on his back is given by his father, so of course he is inspired, he is encouraged to do more good. So same thing is with the universe, that if you encourage the universe to if you thank the universe more often, then it will be definitely encouraged to do more good in your life, and it will bring more better things in your life. So of course thank the universe for whatever it has given to you, whatever it has offered to you, and believe you me, trust me, that it will offer you more good things, more reasons to stay happy, and more reasons to stay blessed out and blessed. So believe you me, that thank the universe more often and stay happy. Stay happy as if already your visualization has become true. So 3 simple steps: visualize, forget, and thank the universe, or show gratitude. So thank you very much for watching, and this is the very first video of this kind on my channel. So of course this is just the beginning about these kind of videos, because I have entered this zone, I guess. I have entered this spiritual zone a bit. So I'm not a pro at it, but of course I will try to share my experience, share my journey in this spiritual way, if I felt the need to. Of course, this was the first video, so thank you very much for bearing with me. I hope I didn't bore you out. So thank you very much. Bye bye.